anniversary. Congratulations to the councillors on completing your first year of activity, the new councillors that came on the last triennium. So well done. Thank you very much for your immense contribution so far. Hope you're enjoying it as much as we are. So thank you. A year has gone very, very quickly, and as that word is always used, isn't it? The unprecedented situation. But yeah, it's been an interesting year. But thank you guys, and nice to have you here. All right, the agenda today. How are we going, Lisa? We're live streaming, and welcome to everyone out there in the public, wherever you may be. Kia ora and good afternoon. Item number 1, we have apologies, and I have received an apology from Councillor Kathy Guy, who's away today. Otherwise it's full house. Thank you. Moved by Councillor Williamson, seconded by Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried.